apologize, I didn't show you how to make this dough, but you can use any pizza dough from the store and then spread it around the pan. After that, cover it and let it cook a little bit. Once it's brown, turn it over and then turn it over to the pan so you can start putting the goodies on top. You're gonna start by putting the sauce, any pizza sauce that you have, tomato sauce. Here I'm using my special sauce. It's going to be followed by jalapeno peppers. Of course, I like spicy food, so that makes it very tasty. Immediately after that, you put some mozzarella cheese. Love mozzarella cheese. And then you gotta follow it up by putting some poached eggs. I love some poached eggs on top of the pizza. Poached eggs, you just boil them in the water for about 3 to 5 minutes and put some extra cheese on top. Then put it in the oven. You can see that it's ready, looking good. And I'm gonna put it in the oven just to melt the cheese because everything is just so ready, 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 done.